welcome to Athens. It was a good flight, a little bit hot outside. So we're gonna do a quick checks back to Cairo. Join us.
Okay, Captain. Sorry, One Tango short index is 10-3 Judy 2. Departure frequency 128-950, airport elevation 308, transition altitude 9,000 feet. When an altitude higher than transition is designated, an equivalent flight level shall be specified by the ATC.
Checked.
Runway 03 right departure. SID require minimum climb gradient of for Sara 1 Tango 304 per nautical mile, 5% up to 3000 قدم.
Pre-flight, please.
Oxygen
100% my side.
100% my side. Navigation transfer and display switches.
Normal and auto.
Window heat.
On.
Pressurization mode selector.
Auto.
Check flight instrument altimeter.
Heading is 303. Altimeter 1012. 3 times.
Check parking brake.
Set.
Engine levers.
Cut off.
Pre-flight check is completed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, you can go now.
3212, please extend your pushback so as to taxi out via Delta 5. Etihad 63 Golf.
Go ahead, ready at 60 go.
Etihad
You can start the engines now.
We will start to.
Okay.
X off.
ground.
Start to.
Short of Delta 5.
Zulu Hotel Charlie, Charlie, hold short of Delta 5 at head 63 Golf.
Etihad 63 Golf, your status is clear.
Hold the point 03 right via Yankee 1 Charlie, Delta 8, Delta Chris 330. Ground here at Aegean 858.
Aegean 858.
Okay, you can set the brakes now.
Request pushback.
Brake set.
858, pushback is approved. Facing east.
Normally GT.
Checked.
56.
Start out.
Checked.
Both engines stabilized. You may disconnect and give me signal from the left or right. Goodbye.
Okay, have a good flight. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.
Bye.
AP off, Captain.
Off. Flight control checked. Rather right. Neutral. And left.
Check.
Bravo 63 είναι έτοιμο.
For taxi checklist.
Generators.
On.
Prop heat.
On.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Isolation valve.
Auto.
Engine switches.
Continuous.
Record.
Checked.
Auto brake.
RTO.
Engine levers.
Idle 10.
Flight controls.
Check.
Ground equipment.
Down to ground equipment.
Down to ground equipment.
Going to 03 right.
Taxi, Captain.
Taxi, please.
Request taxi Egyptair 748. Egyptair 748, taxi via Delta 4 and Delta, holding point 03 right.
Delta 4 and Delta holding point runway 03 right, Egyptair 748.
Delta 4, Delta, holding point 03 right. And left side clear.
We're going to continue in Charlie to hold short of Delta 5 at head 63 Golf.
Northbound on Alpha. Egyptair, correction, Qatari 212, approaching Delta 4, give way to Egyptair Boeing, entering Delta via Delta 4.
Yes.
Or number 1.
Give it to the Egyptian, sorry.
Bravo 63 είναι έτοιμο για μέτωπο βόρειο. Fraction 809 Whiskey, continue Kilo Charlie, on Charlie you will follow me car guidance, stance Charlie 51.
Kilo Charlie, start Charlie 51, lift the follow.
Right side's clear.
Checked.
Egyptair 748, continue on Delta, contact 118-625.
Continue on Delta, contact tower 18625, have a day, Egyptair 748, bye.
Yes.
Tower control, Egyptair 748, good afternoon.
Καλησπέρα, Egyptair 748, advice ready upon reaching.
Call you on ready, Egyptair 748.
Short briefing, Captain. Arm LNAV, VNAV, initial current altitude 7,000 feet, ground speed is 18, D-rate 1, assumed temperature is 45, speed set my side 50505, 3 flaps 1 set, and check trigger is 4.90.
Checked. For takeoff checklist.
Flaps,
1 green light.
check, stabilizer trim,
4.9 units set.
check, pressure checklist is completed.
Terrain my side.
Weather radar is my side.
We are fully ready.
We're fully ready, Egyptair 748.
748, line up and wait, 03 right.
Line up and wait,
Advice
03
and
right. Approach change is clear.
Checked.
runway clear. Center tanks off.
Approaching 03 right.
Δεν μας λέγονται σωστά.
Με τίποτα, όχι ούτε καν πρωτεύον κώδικα δεν έχω.
Approaching is clear.
Stand by.
Good afternoon, Qatari 212.
Hello, Qatari 212, initially hold short.
Hold short, Qatari 212.
Από εμάς είμαστε ok, αψηφίστε δηλαδή.
Περίπου 20 δευτερόλεπτα θέλουμε να κάνει ένα γύρισμα το ραντάρ και θα σας έχω και αναγνωρισμένο. Συνεχίστε στην SID.
Ευχαριστούμε.
Ειδικές 330 τώρα περνάτε 330 aircraft passing 3,500 feet identified 128,950. Χαίρετε.
12950, exit 330, ευχαριστώ πολύ, γεια σας.
Parking brake set.
Checked.
You have controls, I have communication.
Checked.
Καλησπέρα, 3858.
احنا بيقولوا لنا نكلم الديبارتشر.
3858 initially hold short 03 right. Break. EGYPTAIR 748 clear for takeoff 03 right 050 degrees 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff 03 right, EGYPTAIR 748.
Call me civil space.
Qatari 212 confirm fully ready.
Stabilized.
Qatari 212 behind the rolling EGYPTAIR.
N1 toga.
Checked.
02 right behind. Qatari 212.
Take power set.
Checked.
knots.
Checked.
Throttle hold.
Check.
V1.
We are. Positive climb.
Gears up, please.
LNAV.
Check.
VNAV speed.
Check. Command B.
Command.
Checked. Arm.
Check.
Just 48, 1,500 feet identified, 128,950, goodbye.
128,950, EGYPTAIR 748, goodbye.
N1.
Hello, Athena, EGYPTAIR 748, passing 2,200 feet, running 7,000.
748, continue climb flight level 110 unrestricted.
Unrestricted, continue contact level 110, EGYPTAIR 748.
110 unrestricted.
Check.
Qatari 212, initially hold short.
Parking brake set. Check. You have controls, I have communication. Check. بيقولوا لنا نكلم الديبارتشر. Clear for takeoff 03 right, EGYPTAIR 748. Call me civil space. Stabilized. N1 toga. Check. Take power set.
Check.
V1.
We are. Positive climb.
Gears up, please.
LNAV.
Check.
VNAV speed.
Check. Command B.
Command.
Checked. R.
Check.
Cruise 1901, continue climb flight level 280.
Alpha level 280, reach 1901.
Olympic 064 advice.
Target speed 210.
Check.
Cancel Olympic 064.
064 cancel first flight plan time 38 VFR to Paris 2810 contact FIC, yes sir.
Contact FIC 24 for 7000.
Correct, clock 7000 and radar service terminated.
Assume yes Olympic 064.
Speed available.
Flaps up, please.
Up. Selected. Surface moving.
Check.
Up. No light.
After take check.
Engine bleeds.
On.
Packs.
O2.
Landing gear.
Up and off.
Flaps.
Up no light.
After takeoff check is complete. Execute. LNAV available. LNAV.
Target speed 250.
Niner zero check.
290.
100 climbing. Lights inside. Where's the radar my side? Target speed 295.
Check. Hi everyone, my name is Sara Musa. I'm a first officer for EGYPTAIR Airlines. I've been working for EGYPTAIR for the past 6 years. I logged around 4,500 hours on different types of aircrafts. When I joined EGYPTAIR, I did fly the Airbus 320 and later on we switched to this beautiful bird. It's a Boeing 737-800. I have been a lucky person because I joined the flag carrier company of Egypt and we have different types of aircraft, so I get the chance to switch between different aircrafts every few years. This beautiful bird fly to different destinations between Europe, Africa, Middle East, and within 1-2 years I will be flying another bird, a larger one that fly to different continents, to different destinations. So this is a very short brief about myself, and thank you.